Aloha patrons, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? It's me teaching you Hawaiian and Roke behind the camera. Say hi, Roke.
No.
For the first video, we learned the pi'apa and we learned the 5 lima voela. Polole? Is that right? Aye, yes. What I wanted to go over for this lesson is for you to keep out the diphthongs. Aole. Diphthongs is like a W sound as well as a Y sound. Let me explain that to you. For the word aloha, right? The word aloha. Sometimes you might hear people say aloha. Do you hear the W in that? Aole, no. There's no W in aloha. So e ho'opili mai, practice with me. Aloha. Maikai, good. And have you ever heard somebody say, I'm going to Hawaii? Do you hear that Y sound in there? That's a diphthong. Aole, no. There is no Y in Hawaii. How we say it is either Hawaii or Hawaii. E ho'opili mai, Hawaii. E ho'opili mai, Hawaii. So for this lesson, your ha'awina is to keep out the diphthongs. Aole. Keep practicing. A, E, I, O, U. I don't want to hear A, E, I, O, U. No. Aole. Maikai. Keep practicing and I will see you again next week. Aloha.